The National Youth Service Corps (NYSC) is projected to spend approximately 307.6 billion naira on the mobilization and allowances of corps members following the increase in their stipend from 33,000 naira to 77,000 naira, as per a statement released by the scheme in September 2024. The pay rise followed the enactment of the Law Minimum Wage Bill in May 2024. However, 5 months after the announcement, the federal government is yet to commence the payment of the new allowance. On average, the NYSC mobilizes between 1,200 and 1,500 corps members per orientation camp across 36 states and the Federal Capital Territory (FCT). Mobilization takes place in 3 batches annually, A, B, and C, bringing the total number of corps members mobilized yearly to around 333,000. With the new 77,000 naira monthly allowance, the government is expected to pay about 25.64 billion naira per batch, translating it to 307.6 billion naira annually. In the 2025 budget proposal presented by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in December 2024, 430.7 billion naira was allocated to the NYSC, the highest in the last 5 years. Of these, 372.9 billion naira was earmarked for corps members' allowances. Despite the budgetary allocation, corps members have yet to receive the promised 77,000 naira monthly stipend. Responding to inquiries, NYSC Acting Director of Press and Public Relations, Caroline Embo, attributed the delay to the lack of necessary cash backing from the government. The cash backing is still being awaited, she stated in a brief response. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.